Hey, it's AKAJK and today I have another video for you on the channel. This video is something special and it is just sort of an introduction to something new that I'm going to be starting to do on the channel. So there's this very cool new thing where you can teleport from one place to another in a YouTube video. How amazing is that? If you do want to see something like that, a future video, then let me know in the comment section down below. Also by leaving a like and subscribing and turning on notifications so you get notifications like I just got one every single day at 8 PM, so you can see videos of this kind of teleportation thing. So some of you, or most of you, are going to be very confused until you actually see what I mean, and that will be just in a second. But I do want to say I have many other cool kind of things that I'm going to be having in future YouTube videos, so if you're hyped for them, let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, there are many good things that are planned for the channel. Also, there was supposed to be the first episode of season 2 of the vlog today. I decided to delay that till tomorrow, 8 PM. It's still going to come out and everything, but I just wanted to put this video on the channel because I thought it was very special. So guys, without further ado, I want you to see me teleporting for the first time. So those were my mad teleporting skills. If you did think that they are cool, drop a like, comment section down below, just give me some feedback, subscribe to notifications, all my social medias in the description down below. And yep, I hope I'll see you again on tomorrow's episode, because here at AKAJK, the grind is daily.